Hey there, welcome back. Today we're diving into something really exciting for English learners, learning 100 of the most essential words that you'll use every single day. Ready to boost your vocabulary?
Absolutely. This list is perfect for everyone, whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your skills. And it's based on the famous Oxford 3,000 word list, which covers everything from casual chats to more formal situations.
Exactly. We'll start from the basics and work our way up. So if you're a complete beginner, don't skip ahead. You might learn something new. Let's kick it off with some basic verbs.
Right. So verbs like do and make are essential. For example, she always does her homework, or he wants to make a sandwich. Simple, but used all the time.
And go is another one that they go to school every day. We use it every single day in conversations. Can't forget say either. What did he say? It's basic, but really important.
I love how those verbs are so versatile. And even if you think you're beyond the A1 level, there's always something you can pick up. Like how we use take your bag with you versus I take my time when making decisions.
Right, and then there are adjectives like big and good, which we use all the time. They live in a big house, or this soup tastes really good. Little words, but they're crucial.
Yeah, and here's the fun part. I used to say good with an extra emphasis because I'm from Russia, but then my American friends were like, no, it's gotta be a bit more of a smile in the tone. So you learn how culture influences even something simple like an adjective.
For sure. Now, let's get into some nouns. You'll need day and time to tell someone about your schedule. What time is it? And today is a sunny day.
And then we've got essential conjunctions like and but. I like apples and oranges, or I wanted to go but it was raining. Easy, right?
Definitely. And don't forget question words. You can't have a conversation without them. What is your name? Who's your teacher? Where do you live? These are all crucial for daily life.
Right. And let's not forget pronouns. My, your, his, her, and them come up in almost every sentence. Can you help me with this? Simple but necessary.
Moving on to the next level, A2 Elementary. Here we get into slightly more complex vocabulary. We'll talk about verbs like need, accept, and borrow. Like, can I borrow your phone for a minute?
Or solve. Like, I need to solve this problem. It's a good word for anyone studying or working. And adjectives like recent, particular, and easy.
I love recent because it's so applicable in today's world. I read a recent article about the event. Feels like you're up to date with everything.
Exactly. And particular adds that extra touch of detail. He has a particular interest in history. It's like saying you're into something a little more than just casually interested.
Totally. Now let's jump to the B1 level. Here we're talking about verbs like access, annoy, and charge. For example, I can access the internet from my phone, or the loud music really annoys me.
Charge is interesting. It can mean paying for something like, they charge $5 for delivery, or charging your phone. I need to charge my phone.
Yeah. And for nouns, don't forget accommodation. We need to find accommodation for our vacation. Such a useful word when traveling.
Right? An emergency. In an emergency, call 911. These words make you sound a lot more professional when talking about serious situations.
And let's not overlook adjectives like familiar and advanced. Your face looks familiar, or she's in an advanced reading group. Both give you a sense of depth in your conversations.
Now we're at B2, upper intermediate. Words like acquire, enhance, and possess are game changers. He wants to acquire new skills, or I want to enhance my cooking.
Exactly. And verbs like recall, reveal, and approach help us talk more precisely. I can't recall his name, or the test results revealed her progress.
Nouns like majority, commitment, and inquiry will take you to that next level. The majority voted for the trip, or her commitment to her studies is impressive.
Right, and adjectives like crucial and flexible are super important. Sleep is crucial for good health, or her schedule is flexible.
That's right. And don't forget adverbs like furthermore, apparently, and unnecessary. The restaurant is nice and furthermore it's affordable, or I can't recall his name, apparently.
Those little words really make a big difference. And that's it. These 100 words can seriously improve your everyday conversations and help you feel more confident in English.
Absolutely. Just remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite word from today's list?
Let us know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome content.
See you next time. Keep practicing and keep learning.